What a morning. This seems to be non-stop today. Hey up, Lee, what are you up to?
Had enough of you barking orders all morning, Granny Poke Poke.
I have not then. You look worn out. What have you been doing?
You've been sat on your arse while I've been running around doing all your work for you because you're too lazy to do it yourself.
But we're meant to be getting up and having a leisurely drive.
What I'd done if you hadn't messed about so bloody much.
Do you fancy? I know. Do you fancy?
You're taking me from McDonald's and shut up going, I can't afford it. Tough luck. And you're paying.
I'll tell you what though, no on top. Do you fancy another challenge?
No.
Why? Go on.
You
know like we did the other week.
The challenger beat you with a big stick and video it and post
You know
it.
like we did the other week.
Yeah, but you're not stopping in low level accommodation. We're in a caravan.
But we are though.
We're in a caravan.
Yeah, but we're not stopping in a lodge. We're stopping in a caravan.
Yeah, we've stopped in caravans before. Again, we've stopped in caravans before, babe.
Yeah, but this time we're going somewhere else. Shall we go for it and see what we get on?
Oh, go on then, so you can brag to everybody going, oh, you can't cope, you can't cope.
Oh,
no,
shut up. Let's go for it.
Yeah, McDonald's, it's up the road.
Oh,
Mush.
him and his McDonald's. Let's go. Lee, I've noticed that you ice cream. You don't normally have McFlurries. Why have you got McFlurry?
Because I was annoyed before I started, because you wound me up this morning, and then we went to McDonald's, and I asked her specifically for my drink, is there a straw? She said, yes, it's in the bag without even looking. And guess what? Wasn't in the bag, so I've been and complained and had a right go at the manager. So I got a free McFlurry.
Free McFlurry?
Yes, my McFlurry, my freebie.
And you're not even going to share it?
I might.
And you've got something new about the lemonade as well, haven't you? Some news about that.
They're not doing strawberry lemonade anymore, it's cherry lemonade.
Cherry lemonade?
I've not even tried it yet. I was so annoyed. Oh, that's quite nice.
Let's try it.
Don't stop too much because it's not cherries at the bottom.
Got to definitely try this
Just
one.
a little bit because you'll drink all the cherry out the bottom. So careful, and it's very astringent.
Ooh, it's got that sour taste to it.
It's got that puckering to it.
It has indeed. Nice.
I'm enjoying
nice, but ooh. I'll leave you for the minute with my McFlurry. How dare I?
It's my apology, McFlurry.
I'll leave you with your apology, McFlurry.
And normally I leave it to you.
Before I drive you all that way. You're looking just like Juno right now.
Because they're driving all that way is your choice, not mine. You're driving yourself, I'm just coming along as your carer.
Oh. Guys, I've kind of had a bit of an accident. I didn't mean to do it, but I did it.
Master Destructor.
I kind of drove into that caravan over there and drove into the decking. Look what I've done. Uh-oh. So, we're staying at Seashore in number 30. So let's go and have a look.
That's if they let us.
What am I doing, Lee? What am I doing?
Getting us kicked off at this rate.
So, yeah. So we're at Haven. We've got a couple of steps to get in. Oh, and I'm struggling with these as well. Ow. Notice, great big lounge, nice coffee table, but a nice place to sit down. Couple of chairs, nice large TV, a microwave oven. What we've got in the drawers. Ooh, got all your cooking utensils. Plug there. Bucket. All cups and things there. Nice oven. And a grill. Nice bits in there. Grater and goodness knows what. Nothing in there. And then there's your plates and your egg cups. And now go across here. Freezer. Nice freezer that. And you've got a fridge. Big enough to like put your different bits in. So you've got like a kitchen table. So let's go through here. So here's your bathroom. That's not bad. And you've got your shower in there. That don't look that bad. You've got a small step just there as well. So that's one bathroom. And then we go across here. And there's another toilet. And a sink. Right, so there's now 3 doors. So first door, we come across single room. With 2 single beds in. Bit cooler in here. Got a wardrobe. 2 drawers. So you've just got like your big light. And no lights to the side. You can of course open your window. Got hooks just there. That's quite a nice one, that one is. So let's go see what's in the other one. Got a double bed. Really warm in here because the sun's catching. Got plugs either side. And again, you've just got the roof to there. Sorry, the light to there. You've got plugs either side. Got large wardrobe. Sit down a minute. Ow. Now you've just got large drawers there. Got a hairdryer. Not bad. More plugs there. And it says, please can you strip all beds and place linen on the bed on departure day. That one. And then you've got a large mirror behind the door. Of course your beds are made up. And then on here, not only have we got 1 room, 2 rooms, we've also got 3 rooms. And another double bed. Sorry, another 2 singles. Really hot in here as well. So yeah. And 2 drawers. More wardrobe space. Another little mirror. There we go. So lots of room in here, and with it just being me and Lee, can get lost. We've got no decking now, so the only struggle we've got is the stairs. But apart from that, be okay. The big advantage we've got for here is we can order food. We can order from like the local Asda. Asda will deliver to Seashore, and they will actually deliver to the actual caravan or lodge that you're staying in. Also as well, the other thing is Seashore do a delivery service. There's Papa John's, the Burger King, there's also fish and chips. So, good choice. There's also a good choice of restaurants as well, which I will show you on a different video as well. So, yeah. Hope you like this video. Showed you again a bit of me driving and told you again, well, thank God I didn't have a crash last time, but unfortunately I've had one today. And thank God it wasn't on the road, but just coming into here. But it was tight space. It was trying to get to the actual caravans, because we had to try and come down a tight road. So where I tried to come down was like a dead end, and then my parking space was kind of like down another tight corner. So yeah, if I hadn't had to do that, I think I would have been okay. So anyway, I'm here now. Gonna go and try and just get something to eat, and yeah, do a bit of filming for you guys. And hope you enjoy these as well as you enjoyed the Butlins videos. So from me, see you later, guys. Oh, and I need to get onto the insurance company. What am I like? A plonker. Morning, guys. So the bed was, yeah, comfy, and it was quiet around the caravan as well. So slept quite well. It's just what's happened since I've got up. Obviously, you know about there's been no toilet rolls or whatever. So yeah, we've had a problem with that all night. The other thing is, I woke up to Lee shouting, "Are you ready then?" So I'll let you explain to that first. What's happened there, Lee?
I'm bored.
Why were you bored?
I got no Wi-Fi, which is quite common. That's fine, but the telly's playing up.
And what was on the TV?
I've been stuck on BBC One, and so it's been news all morning.
Been news all morning. We're not one for news, are we?
Not when it keeps racking on about Keir Starmer and Labour's wicked deals here and this. You asked me.
Yeah, but I did ask you. So you've been fed up about hearing about all that. Anything else happened this morning?
Granny crash. Because that's what you're going to be called from now on. Lost the bloody car key this morning.
I have.
I don't understand why she took it to bed with her last night.
I took it to bed to keep it, I don't know, safe.
You're in a sodding caravan, and that's safe about it.
I did, guys. I lost the car, not the caravan key. I lost the car key, and I spent ages trying to find it. I looked high and low, and I could not find it anywhere. You was not impressed with me, were you?
I haven't been impressed with you for 2 days.
First of all, crashing the car
No, you
into the decking.
To be fair, you did yesterday morning.
Why? What did I wind you up with?
I told you what you wound me up with, and I'm not going back into it again.
Okay.
Told you what.
And then the decking. And then, like today, losing the key. Question is, can I wind him up anymore?
I wouldn't if I were you.
Not doing very good here, am I, guys? So we're off to guest services today to see, yeah, what can be done about the TV, and also, is it a standard not getting a toilet roll?
The TV's easy. I need batteries for the stupid sodding remote.
Or do we need to go back buy them from the shop?
I'm not buying batteries. I forgot. I'll put the bloody thing off.
What are you rattling on about now?
If they want to make me buy batteries for the remote control, I'll just smash the TV, put my fist through the TV.
No, you will not. We're not violent.
Oh, I'm getting there.
You are not. You will behave yourself.
Anyway, come on then, let's go.
Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Let's go, guys.